Municipality of Madrid.
So guys, yun na, finish na po yung ginagawa nila. Ayan.
Immense
Ito yung
pride
first,
and
ano nila,
appreciation
number
that I
1.
stand before you today as we celebrate
Ito
Love
yung number
Boracay
2.
2026. A vibrant expression of unity, culture, and our collective vision
Ito yung
for
number
resilient
3.
and sustainable tourism industry. Here in Boracay, we are blessed
Ito
with
yung
extraordinary
number 4.
natural beauties from land to sea. One that has captured the hearts of the world. Yet,
And
beyond
yes,
this gift lies a greater
na
responsibility
Boracay.
to protect, preserve, and promote the island in a way that ensures its sustainability for generations to come. Love Boracay is more than a celebration. It is a movement. A movement that reminds us that tourism must go hand in hand with environmental stewardship and community empowerment.
Ito naman yung number 7.
It is about fostering meaningful connections, connecting people, promoting culture, and creating opportunities.
Ito naman yung number 8.